Hi, Michael. Absolutely. So let's do this start to finish. We'll define and then one. I've already gone into my server and I've already created a folder off the root, a subdirectory called home, just so we can do, sort of folder to folder. Now, so basically in Dreamweaver locally, we're going to define our new site. Let's go to our home folder. Then we have enhancements, features, templates, select home, and then hit the select button. Keep in mind, you can put this home folder wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. If you want to put it within a larger website in your local computer, that's fine. We're still just going to define this, the home folder, for our new website. Okay, hit select and save. Yeah, I already got a copy, I know. And it caches. Cool. That's sort of define. That's the local part, right? Now, let's get connected up to the server right away, just so we can get that done and out of the way. So let's go to our site, manage site, and I'm going to use my test server as an example. So I'll go to servers and I'll set up a new one. And it's going to be zoo.net. I'm going to set here. I couldn't remember my username and password, so I had to do that manually. Okay, so I've put in that. Now the root directory for this particular server is http docs. Now, I've got a subfolder up there called home, so I'm going to do my /home, and let's do a test. Dreamweaver connected successfully to your web server. Okay, so that's the setup. I'll click on save, and OK, and OK. It's going to recache, done. Now let's connect to the remote server, like so. Doing its thing, and there we go. Now I'm going to go and change from local view to remote server, and it should be blank like this because I have nothing up there right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cheat and pull up a web browser, right? And I'm going to go to .net/home/ okay. And I'm going to, boom, forbidden. You don't have permission because I don't have a page up there. Right, so let's do a test. Let's go back to our local, and I'm just going to put the index page. No, I'm just going to put the page up there itself because I don't want to spend 10 minutes moving everything else. I'm going to switch back to remote server, and there I have an index page. Now, if I refresh, I should get something in here. And there it is today. Yep, there's, the content of the index page without any styles or JavaScript. So I said, okay, this tells me I'm at least in the right folder. So for me, the safety factor is when I look at the address bar up here, there's my For Zoo site, then there's my home folder. At first I had nothing in there. Now I've got my index page. Thumbs up. I'm not going to screw things up by putting it in the wrong space. And also, because I can go to switch from the local to the remote server, it tells me the only thing in there is the index page. And of course, when I was in my local and I did the it put that file up into the correct folder. Now, me being a FTP or a FileZilla guy, what I would actually do myself is I actually go into the where's my HIJ, right? I actually physically go into my home folder there just to see what's on there. So, and then I have my local site over here. But just to clarify, right? Anyways, that's how I would go if publishing with Dreamweaver and just sort of testing the waters to make sure. But yeah, back up all your local stuff or however you want to deal with that, and then this is how I would sort of proceed just to make sure. And test and go about things. Yeah, so you were saying you're going to FTP into your current root home folder. Now, when you said FTP, I wasn't sure if you were going to do that with a Dreamweaver or with an FTP client. With an FTP client, you just go into your home folder, right? And whatever's in here, delete it. There, everything's gone. Now the folder's empty. Then you can proceed with Dreamweaver to upload. Or you can actually go into your remote server. Take a look up top here to make sure that you're in the right directory, and then delete whatever is in here as well. I think I can. Well, I already deleted it from the server, but all right. So I select that and hit delete. What happens? Oh, it's gone now. Okay, so yeah. Clean out your home folder, and then connect up to it with Dreamweaver. run a test file like an index or something like that. But like I said, I like to use my browser and make sure the address that I'm using in the browser, in this case for zoo/home, I like to make sure that there's nothing there to start with, and then I put up a test file to make sure it went to the right place, and then once that's happened, then I'm safe. I feel pretty comfortable, right? And of course, the thing I like to do with a program like FileZilla is actually go and before I clean out the site, I would go into my root folder and I would download a copy of the entire home folder to back that up. But if you've already got a copy of it, then you're, from local, then you're good to go. It doesn't matter. I always like to have a copy of stuff.